So let us start with Module 5. Module 5 mainly deals with certain kind of compliance on which you should be vigilant and you have to take care of it very seriously. Then you start building the credentials, and in that you start filling the SPO sign up form, because then you will be allowed to sign up for the whole activity. And then sugar is being added. So for sugar you can particularly for glucose you can make use of some kind of the same strip which are being utilized at the medical shops by the diabetic patient. You can make use of the same diastatic strip, and then you dip it into milk and wipe off extra milk and wait for 30 seconds, and you see the color, and from the code you can see if it is going beyond a particular range.